And I was also thinking about which is the safest way of investing. Financial crashes, one in 2009, right? At that time, I had invested, I had actually started. See, I become more financially secure. So that makes me feel good. You know, the security that I have, that I've invested, the money is there, it is safe, it is growing, right? So anytime for the younger generation, especially my children, when they start earning, right, I will ensure. So I would advise every person, every youngster to continuously invest, don't withdraw, okay? And you do it only at the end of your career when you retire.
Hello, happy money to you viewers. This video is more special because in this video, we are going to get and feedback of our clients, those who have been traveling with us for more than 15 years. Let's see one by one. Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Welcome to Shan Wealth.
Thank you for having me here.
Tell us little about yourself to our happy money viewers.
Sure. So my name is Narayana Murthy. So I'm a finance professional. So I have 30 years of experience in finance and predominantly in the shared service organization. So today I work for this ITES company. That's nothing but information enabled services, right? So that's about me. So to give you a brief about myself.
10 years ago, you started your SAP. What made you finally say, yes, let me start? And what were your dreams back then?
Okay. So the reason why I started SAP is I wanted to plan for my retirement. Okay. So I'm halfway through my career and it was very important that I plan for my retirement. And I was also thinking about which is the safest way of investing. So that's when my friend who's a financial advisor had told me that let me invest in mutual funds. So mutual funds, what I found was one, it is safer, okay? Liquidity is there, at the same time growth is there. So these are the three things. So it was growing more than investing in an FD or a recurring deposit. Definitely. And again, whatever I earn in FD or recurring, I'll have to pay tax. But in case of mutual funds, only when I withdraw, I will have to pay tax. So it continues to grow. So that's one of the reasons why I started. But today I regret why I started so late. I should have started earlier.
Was starting SIP easy or did you initially hesitate?
No, I really didn't find a problem. Only thing I had to make my mind and start contributing on a regular basis. So money was not a constraint. So I was earning quite a bit. I was investing in other things. But mutual funds, I realized it is very important that I have to invest in it.
Okay. Was there ever a moment in these 10 years you felt like stopping? Market crash during COVID. What kept your hand away from that stop SIP button?
See, actually, I know about the mutual funds, the way they work and all that. So we have seen three financial crashes, one in 2009, right? At that time, I had invested, I had actually started and I withdrew because of fear. Because I was losing my capital. Today, again, you saw the Iran war. Where crude oil went up and even the markets are down. So it's almost 6,000, 7,000 points down. But it's the right time to invest.
Over these 10 years, what change have you noticed in your financial confidence?
See, I become more financially secure. So that makes me feel good. So I'm able to achieve what I want to achieve, especially children's education, right? And also travel. All those things, whatever my interests are, right? I'm able to achieve this. So that confidence is giving me, the security that I have, that I've invested, the money is there, it is safe, it is growing, right? So anytime I can liquidate that money. So that confidence is letting me stay.
Superb, sir. What would you tell to youngsters who keep saying, I will start next year?
Okay, I have a few friends, I advise them, right? But it's left up to them. They have their own priorities, they have their own financial constraints and all that. But I keep advising whoever I meet, my friends, I tell them, I've benefited of this. You also have to invest, but it's left up to them. I can't force them. But for the younger generation, especially my children, when they start earning, right, I will ensure that they start investing in mutual fund, and it should be long.
Long term.
Mutual funds are not for people who wants to make quick money. That's not possible. But
Correct.
long term, it's going to be very beneficial.
Okay, very nice, sir. Thanks a lot for your valuable feedback, sir. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
coming.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity.
Thanks,
Thank
sir.
you.